This portion of tutorial we learn very important concept in Git, that is the rebase. Why we need rebase? So I remove all the tab in my right side. So first you need to see what the pane is arise. I clear my text. Okay. So I git ignore. Suppose you are working in page one text file. Suppose page one, not control Z. Okay, you are working on index file. Okay, and you added two tag h2, h3 and 2 and 3. Okay, so you save this file, git add dot git status, you check it, you see one file modified, git commit -m index file h2 and h3 tag added. Okay, so commit is done. When you are working, suppose your another teammate edit the page 1 txt file. Okay, so page 4, page 5, he added two line. Okay, and commit is page 4, 5 added in text file. Okay, so he had new commit, so new commit is done, page 4, 5 added in text file. Now if you want to push your code, git push origin main, it's not pushing. Okay, why rejected? Because server has some updated code. In normal scenario, what you done now, git pull origin main, you first pull your code. Okay, some merge change is done, it is status, and you then before we pull it, then you again push your code. Okay, now your code in update successfully. But if you check your code, you see your teammate commit for page 4, 5 adding text file, and you commit index file h2, h3 tag added, but a new commit also come there. You and your teammate, not any member, commit this. Who commit this in your system? The system committed using the merge conflict. Okay, so when you are getting error when you are pushing your code and someone is already update their code, then the editor or git merge your code in your area. So you see, when it gets some pulling data and merge is done by default. So you must remember, in your version control, your teammate code is only present there, not system generated any commit also present, no need. So how can we avoid this scenario? So now again I create another. So now I'm providing a solution, git status, everything is clean. Okay, so I added another two line here, that is okay, s3 is not needed. Git status git add dot git commit -m new to h3 tag added in index.html file. Okay, so you committed it. Now your teammate again edit some code, that is page 6, page 7, and here they write the commit 6 7 edit. Okay, so I commit changes, commit is push, and the commit part you see latest commit is 6 7 added. So again you push your code, you see your code is rejected. Why rejected? Because some update code is present in remote branch. So you need to pull git pull origin main, but when uh, some updated code present in the version control repository, you must pulling it with a rebase. Okay, so rebase shortcode is -r. So if I click again, okay, successfully rebase. If I get a status, okay, everything is cool, perfect, and now I push it origin main. Now you check and refresh it, you see no any merge branch or merge commit is present there. So must remember, when you are pulling code must use rebase. Okay, with if you are not using rebase, this type of commit also store in your repository. That is not a very good solution. Okay, bye bye.